By the time this session comes to an end, every block standing between you and your specific person will begin to dissolve. The energy you rise into here will soften the places that once felt closed, allowing the flow between you to open again. And with each moment you listen, you'll feel this shift moving through your body, your heart, and your entire being. In this journey, it isn't just the words that create the shift. It's the way their energy blends with your own vibration and sets the flow in motion. The emotion rising in your body, the warmth expanding within you, and the feeling your heart is finally allowing, all of it is activating the process right now. Visualization matters, but what creates the real result is stepping into the scene as if you're already living it. That's why you open your mind, your heart, and every cell of your body to the moment. As you notice the weight of your body, the warmth of your skin, you settle deeper into the scene itself. And this awareness makes the energy of the session stronger, clearer, and far more powerful for you. This flow becomes a resonance that reconnects you with the power that has always lived inside you. A space where no barriers remain, where your energy moves freely toward your specific person, and where the cosmic circle opens in your favor, clearing the path for everything to align. Thank you for being here and moving through this session. If you felt even the slightest sense of ease or release, liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing your experience in the comments truly supports this work. Because YouTube decides who to show a video to based on how viewers respond. Your like, your comment, your subscription, all of it helps these sessions reach more people and truly supports the channel so it can continue creating work like this. Thank you for making this work visible and for adding your energy to this journey. When you're ready, we begin. Now, take a deep breath in and slowly let it go. In your mind's eye, you step into a quiet, dim, softly lit room where the light has gently faded. The outside world is gone, completely out of reach now. And in the very center, a horizontal ring of soft, glowing light hovers above the floor, waiting for you. You slowly walk into the circle and feel a gentle warmth rising beneath your steps. This circle is the place where the universe gathers its cosmic energies just for you. Here, no barrier can hold its shape. No old memory or past imprint can pull you down. Now, a stream of radiant gold-violet energy begins to descend from above. It enters through the top of your head, flows down your neck, softens your shoulders, moves through each point along your spine, aligning your entire body, and dissolves every heaviness sitting in your chest. This energy reminds you of the truth behind the law of assumption. What you feel as already done is already yours. The gold-violet energy reaches your heart, melting every fear like, what if it doesn't happen? Or, will my specific person come back? And in this moment, you tell yourself only one truth. What is mine is already returning to me. The energy continues flowing downward, cleansing your stomach, your legs, every place where tension has been stored. And every barrier between you and your specific person begins to dissolve, completely and effortlessly. Now a path appears before your inner vision. This is the energetic road leading straight to the one your heart is calling. There are old stones and fading shadows on it, but you are standing inside the cosmic circle. And those obstacles are already melting away. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, see the entire path becoming clear and open. The gold-violet energy melts every stone in its way, scatters every shadow, and opens the connection completely. The path is shining now, clear and bright. The connection between you is free, open, and fully alive again. You begin to walk forward slowly, your body feeling lighter, your heart completely at ease. And at the end of the path, you see them. The person on your mind, standing there, waiting for you, smiling. You walk closer to them, and this moment becomes a true meeting, a real connection on the energetic level. Now, feel the way they look at you. Notice the warmth in their eyes. There's a familiar connection in that gaze, as if their heart has always understood yours. In that moment, the softness on their face carries the old resonance of a soul that already knows you. There's an energy of openness, an energy that welcomes you and recognizes you completely. You take one more step toward them, and in a gentle, steady voice, they say, "All the things that once stood between us have dissolved. I can feel your energy, and I can't pull away from this connection." Now you answer, "I feel it too. Every barrier is gone. The path is clear. The energy is flowing. You're coming toward me, and I welcome it completely." Now bring to life a moment you've truly shared, or a scene that feels real in your heart. A cafe, a quiet shoreline, a phone call, a moment where they smiled at you, a moment where they held you close. Step fully into the scene. Hear the sounds around you. Feel the warmth in the air. Feel their nearness. Feel the way they look at you. Let this image settle deeply into your mind. And within this scene, the energies of the universe begin forming a circle around the two of you. It feels as if this moment is being blessed, as if everything is being rewritten in your favor. When you feel this scene in its most vivid and authentic form, as it becomes clearer in your mind, as it grows stronger in your inner reality, the law of assumption begins to move. The energy shifts in your favor, and the subconscious of the one you're energetically aligned with accepts this moment as true. Now the scene slowly dissolves into light. The colors soften, the shapes melt away, expanding into a bright, radiant aura. This warm glow surrounds you completely and carries you back to your own center, back to your deepest self. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, repeat these words while feeling them inside you. The path is open. The barriers are gone. The energy is flowing. I am ready. And what is mine is already coming to me. Now gently return to your body. And when you open your eyes, you'll feel this new reality continuing to move with you. I'm grateful for you too.